guys, I'm out here underneath these bleachers again, back over here at the football field, and I'm gonna try something different today. I had a brainstorm, and of course, don't do this unless you're out in a field or somewhere where nobody cares. I brought along a shovel with me today, and we got a bunch of sand up under these bleachers, and there's a lot of trash and stuff. I'm going to try to sift through the trash and see if I can pick up any good targets. Maybe put my metal detector on real low on my discrimination and turn the sensitivity up a little bit and see if I can get some deep targets or something. Maybe we can find some jewelry or some old coins that were left under here. I did find a wheat penny up under here once, so I'll get back with you if I find anything good. Guys, I'm back over here at Clinton Primary and in shot lots, and I just found a little bell. It's got still got the ball inside it. It ain't worth nothing, but it's a neat little find anyway. We'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Well, I found another chain today, but it ain't worth anything. It's rusted, so just costume jewelry, I guess, and get back with y'all later. I think I found the other parts of that one day too, but I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Well, I just made a pretty good find. It looks like a silver bracelet. I can't find any markings on it. The clasp was up there. I thought I could see something on the clasp, but anyway, I'll check it out when I get home, clean it up a little bit, and I'll get back with y'all later if I find anything else. And I just found a silver quarter to go with that bracelet, and I got some kind of little button or something right here. So I'll get back with y'all if I find anything else. Well guys, we didn't find a whole lot this evening. Found a couple clad dimes and 3 memorial pennies. And this little chain piece here ain't no good. Anyway, this has just been a bad weekend, I guess. I done okay yesterday. I found a little bracelet yesterday, but I don't know if it's silver or not. I could make out some writing on it, but I couldn't tell what it was. But anyway, it's probably just costume jewelry. But anyway, this is Lou saying good luck with your hunting and God bless.
He's a really big dude with an attitude